Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share Instagram story to Facebook account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to share the Instagram story to your Facebook account story. Also, let's open up our Instagram app first. First we will have to do some settings on the Instagram, then we will be going to the Facebook. Okay, let's open up the Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram app, you can see your profile picture icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your picture icon, and on this interface you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and over here on the settings, tap on settings, and on this interface you can see the account category just below the ads. Tap on account, and after that on this interface, above the cellular data used or just below the contact syncing, you can see the sharing to other apps option available over here. Tap on sharing to other apps like this, and after that you can see you can also share your Instagram story to Twitter, Tumblr, Amoeba, OK.ru, and also Facebook. Now let's tap on Facebook again. For me, I have already linked my account, so there is my account. So for you, you will have to add another account. For that you will get an interface over here to access your Facebook profile. But if you want to add another, you can see the account set over here, and from over here you can see my profiles on the top, and you can see the account settings on the bottom. Tap on accounts, and you can see there is the add accounts button available over here. Tap on add accounts, and after that wait for the Instagram to load, and you will be able to add your Facebook account over there. And after adding your account, let's go back, and again on this interface you can see automatically share your Instagram story and post button available over here, and turn it on like this, and you can see always share your Instagram story on post to Facebook. You can change each time you create a story on post. With that being said, let's go and post a story to our Instagram. On our Instagram, let's go back, and you can see the plus icon over here. Let's tap on the plus icon, and after that let's post this story, and let's go, and let's again without some editing, and you can see remix for photos. Let's tap on OK for right now. But you can see over here there is the also post to Facebook of the instructor available over here, and Twitter, Tumblr advanced settings as well. You can also tag people over here. You can add location. With that being said, you can see the tick mark on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the tick mark, and you can see use the same profile info across Instagram and Facebook. Let's tap on continue and continue. And by doing that, we have also shared our story on our Facebook also. Let's go and check the Facebook app. Okay, I think it's taking a bit of time to load, but you will have successfully shared your story on your Facebook also. And there you guys, you can see the photo I had just posted on my Instagram account is also on the Facebook account. And there guys, this is how you post your story and post on your Facebook from Instagram to your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.